So friends, let's discuss something about Pakistan. Okay, what is Pakistan, and because in which country you are living, so you know what that country, and we all are living in Pakistan. So let's discuss about Pakistan. So basically, Pakistan is the land of the pure land, and the next thing we have that Pakistan is located in Southeast Asia, and of course it got independent, and it is basically we can say that it is created on 14th August 1947, and approximately the population is 170 million. Basically this is a old record. अगर हम आज के रिकॉर्ड की बात करें तो 170 मिलियन से बहुत ज़्यादा है हमारी पॉपुलेशन, जो कि बढ़ती भी रहती है और कम भी होती रहती है. यू नो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट आर पॉपुलेशन बाय सेंसस. सो नेक्स्ट थिंग वी हैव ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज इज ऑफ कोर्स उर्दू, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज मैनी लैंग्वेजेस एंड मैनी रीजन्स लाइक सिंधी, पंजाबी, बलोची, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट वी हैव आर कैपिटल city is of course Islamabad, and we have the 7th largest army in the world and 6th nuclear country in the world. But as a Muslim country, we are the first Muslim country to attain nuclear power. So next we have education. There are many things like education, like we have more than 132 universities, and I think that we have more than 132, but approximately 132 universities we have in our country. Secondly, we have parallel education. Parallel education system means public and private. आपने देखा होगा प्राइवेट स्कूल्स भी होते हैं, पब्लिक स्कूल्स भी होते हैं, जो कि सिस्टम जो है वो पाकिस्तान के अंदर अच्छी तरह से रन किया जा रहा है. सेकेंडली यहाँ पर एक स्टूडेंट की एग्जांपल दी गई है, अली मोइन नवाजिश. लाइक ही इज़ अ गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड विद 23 सब्जेक्ट्स इन ए लेवल्स. यानी कि इनका एक रिकॉर्ड है गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के अंदर, 23 सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर इन्होंने ए लेवल्स किया है. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव sports. Of course we all love sports. It's a physical fitness game, and the best game is, like, we have a national game which is field hockey, and the most popular game among the youth is cricket. And of course we have won the cricket world cup in 1992 and the T20 world cup in 2009. We have won the 1992 world cup in the captaincy of Imran Khan, and the world cup in 2009 which is T20 world cup under the captaincy of Yunus Khan. So next we have music. You all know that Pakistan has a very huge music industry, and we have 4 main families, yani ki 4 main types of musical instruments like in Pakistan, and more than 600 Pakistani musical instruments, and the most well known are the sitar, tabla, rabab, dhol and bansuri. This all are the types of music which is played with the band, and the whole band makes a one single music. Like you, for example, we can take Coke Studio. It's a very famous studio that produce many hit songs like Tajdar Haram, which is sung by Atif Aslam. So next we have it's basically a map of Pakistan. You can see that it's a good map. I can shift my screen to here so you can easily see. Basically it's a map of Pakistan, and you can all see that there are 4 provinces of Pakistan. Like this area is called Sindh, this is called Balochistan, and this is Punjab, and this is KPK, that's mean Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And this all the maps include 4 provinces I have told you, and then all the provinces contain many cities. Like the famous cities, like I have told you, Karachi, which is called the city of lights, Lahore, Islamabad, Quetta, Peshawar and so on. There are many cities which are famous for their special things. So next we have Punjab. So first of all, going to discuss about Punjab. What is the tradition of Punjab? We have, you can see the pictures. The pictures told you the tradition of Punjab, basically how they dress up, how the dishes was made in Punjab, and how was their culture among them. So Punjab is the most popular province of Pakistan with approximately 56% of the country's total population. The main language are Punjabi and Saraiki over there. Lahore has traditionally been the capital of Punjab for 1000 years. It is Punjabi main cultural, historical, administrative and economic center. So guys, so friends, it's saying that the Lahore is the main city of Punjab which follows the tradition. All the cities of Punjab follows tradition, but the Lahore especially follows the Lahore traditions, Lahore culture, and it includes very historical buildings and historical monuments like Minar-e-Pakistan that relates somewhere of Punjabi. So next we have Badshahi Mosque. As you all see this picture, it's a Badshahi Mosque, and it's located in Lahore, and basically this contain 10,000 pilgrims, 10,000 Muslims, 10,000 Muslims approximately can perform here at one time. So it's a very big mosque and a very historical monument of Pakistan, located in Lahore. Next we have this is a picture of that mosque, and we forward it. This is a Minar-e-Pakistan, which is the most famous among the tourists. Like, they all came from all over the world for seeing this place in Pakistan, and all the Pakistanis that locates in other cities also like this monument and used to come here for making pictures, for making their tourist journey good and memorable. So next we have this kites. Guys, friends, I would like to say that I would like to tell you basically that the kites festival is very famous in Lahore. That they all used to fly the kites on the specific day. As you see in the picture, that this boy has made such a huge kite, which is very nice. So friends, now we are moved from Punjab. Now it's Sindh. Sindh have other tradition, like Sindhi used to wear another clothes as compared to Punjabis, and other their language is separate from Punjabi, and they used to how they live, how they spend their lives according to their tradition. So Sindh, geographically it is the third largest province of Pakistan. तीसरा बड़ा सूबा है पाकिस्तान का सिंध. It is hot in the summer and mild in winter. Sindh is the scale official language. Karachi is the largest city, main seaport, and as well as the capital of the province of Punjab. It was the original capital of Pakistan until the construction of Islamabad. Basically, they are saying that Sindh contains the most populated city in Sindh is Karachi, which is first. It is the Karachi. Basically, it's a capital city, but later on Islamabad becomes the capital city. But Sindh includes the capital city, which is Karachi. So you can see the city all over in this aerial pic, which is taken from a drone camera. You can see whole city, their places, their buildings, and you can see the Habib Bank Plaza as well in front of this picture. This we have a sea. Basically, Karachi contains seaport, which is very benefit for fishing industry. This is friends, this is Do Darya, good place. There are many restaurants are made there, and this is for the fishermen, which they used to catch fishes from there. So we have this old place in Sindh, because Sindh have their own old places. Like, biggest place, oldest place of Sindh is Mohenjo-daro, which is located in interior Sindh, and Harappa as well somewhere, but Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh, which is the most oldest city of the world, which is locates now as well. यानी कि जो आज भी कायम है, जो आज भी मौजूद है, वो Mohenjo-daro है, the world's most famous and the most oldest place in the world. So now we have moved ahead from Sindh to KPK, यानी कि खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have their old own traditions, as I have to say, old traditions, their own languages, and one thing more, it has a very famous pass, Khyber Pass, you can see in this picture, which is located here. Next we have KPK. So previously known as the Northwest Frontier Province, the main ethnic group in the province is the Pashtun, यानी कि पश्तून यानी पख्तून फैमिलीज वहाँ पे बहुत बिलोंग करती हैं. दैट्स वाई दिस से दैट द मोस्ट अथेंटिक ग्रुप ऑफ दिस प्रोविंस इज पख्तून. द प्रिंसिपल लैंग्वेज इज पश्तो. ट्राइबल सिस्टम मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्रोविंस. सो फ्रेंड्स, द KPK इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल province of the country. And the next thing we have that the main language which is spoken usually in KPK is Pashto. So this all you can see. Basically the KPK is a north side province, so they includes very beautiful sceneries, mountains, valleys, lakes, and forests. As you see in this picture, it's a very beautiful scenery which are shooted by the camera, and you can see on my screen. This you can see, usually there used to snow falls usually, because there was a northern area, so snow falls there, and this picture shows that how the snow covers the whole hill and the building as well. So this all it's a scenery. This is a cloth like who usually females wear in KPK, and this is a Kalash tribe which is located in usually in KPK. It's a Pathan tribe, one of the type of a Pathan tribe which locates in KPK. So now moving ahead, and now it's for the last province, which is Balochistan. Especially the Pathans family live there, and you can see their own traditions, their own things they made. And the biggest thing in Balochistan is the most important thing, which is Gwadar Post, which is somehow located in Balochistan. That is very much famous for fishing industry, and all the business run in Pakistan of fishing industry is from there even. Gwadar Port. So moving ahead, Balochistan is the largest province by area of Pakistan, secularly populated. So सबसे ज़्यादा largest province जो है वो पाकिस्तान का जो area के हिसाब से वो है बलोचिस्तान. This you can see the clothes of Balochi families. This is a mountains. Basically, Balochistan includes only mountains and the highways, and it's a very small city, but it is most high, not populated country, but according to the area, it is most largest province of Pakistan, because the half of the province is covered by the mountains. That's why the area for the city has become short. The city is small, but usually the area is covered by mountains, and at the winter time it's become very good for the tourists to come from all over Pakistan to Balochistan for seeing this mountain, for seeing this sceneries. So this is the Balochi tools, and this is the graphy and calligraphy which is made by the Balochi families. And moving forward, this is a Pakistani cuisine, यानी कि refined blend of various regional cooking tradition of the South Asia. Pakistani culture is known for its traditional richness and flavor. It has been partly influenced by Arab, Persian and Indian cuisine. It retains its own different distinct Pakistani flavors. So friends, basically it's saying that the Pakistani foods are very famous, especially biryani is the basically it's told that it's a national food of Pakistan, biryani, which is very famous in Karachi, and kadai is a famous food for Lahore even, and all over the world, especially Pakistan is very famous for his flavors, which is flavor of food. Within Pakistan, cuisines varies greatly from region to region, reflecting the country's authentic and culture. Green, given the diversity of the people of Pakistani cuisine, they generally differ from home to home and maybe totally. Okay. As religion defines culture, so it with food in Pakistan, as Muslim are forbidden to pork. Basically, it's all discussing about the food which is most common and the most famous in the Pakistan. So this is all the dishes which includes many things like cumin seeds, chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and etc., which is very popular spices in the Pakistan. Barbecue and kebabs are very famous as a barbecue food. In barbecue food, kebabs are very famous in Pakistan. This all tells about food. So now I will end this video by the conclusion, like that we have talked about Pakistan something, because Pakistan is very vast, but we have discussed some little things, some common things about Pakistan, that how the provinces are, how the people in the provinces are living with their own traditions, how the Pakistan is running according to their peoples. So in the next video, inshallah, I will talk about the how Pakistan created, yani the early background of Pakistan. So don't miss the this series. So I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching.